This is one of the highlights here in this place. Okay, you see that? Okay, see? I'm exploring Thailand, so I walk to the clock tower to see the clock tower. I think I'm very near. I'm just walking and see the beauty of Thailand. So after the rain, much better because not so hot. How can I turn left? Well, oh, I think I need to bet. There will be I will because let's explore Thailand. Okay? Oh, Thailand. But it's okay. Part of the exploration. So, okay, right, the next. Turn left, turn left. I turn left. Wait, I'm looking for a room. Bye. Okay, so here the pedestrians. Okay, let's go. And then, so, arrive na raw ako. Pero hindi ko alam kung nasaan. Hanap natin. Kasi hindi ko picture. This is the name of the because this is DIY, the children, so I need to do it my own. Not try to find what public. Okay, and then where I am, let's continue exploring. Exploring and looking for a